Well, this trip is off to a little bit of a rough start. I just dropped my GoPro mount in the water. I gotta go see if I can dive for it and find it. Oh, I think it's gone. It's not exactly a warm day today. Well, now that I'm in the water, I might as well put my fin on my board. Well, I'm soaking wet, I'm a little bit cold, and now I have to hold my camera while I try to paddle and fish and do everything. On we go. Well, I managed to fit my selfie stick into the scupper hole of my board, and it seems to be working pretty well as a DIY GoPro mount. Trying to get my bottom to dry out, so I'm standing up and paddling, but it's making the camera wiggle like this.